All right, guys, next up, it's time for another Gold Rush autographed baseball jersey. We're getting down to our last couple boxes of this. And hopefully we've got some big names yet to pull. So we pulled a Vlad Jr. Last weekend. So there's a ton of big names. You got Mike Trout, you got Ohtani, Soto, Derek Jeter, Tatis, DeGrom, Griffey. I mean, so many big names. So let's see if we can pull a monster out of here. So, Candy, you've got the Rays. Chris C. with the Rangers and Nationals. Jeff's got the Royals and the Yankees. That's Jeff H. Jeffrey R. with the Red Sox. Jeffrey Z. with the Phillies. John B. with the Braves. Kevin S. with the Tigers. Masuzo, you've got the Angels and the Padres. Richard C. with the A's, the White Sox, and the Cardinals. Richard V. with the Reds, Marlins, and Cubs. Steve D. with the Diamondbacks, Orioles, Indians, Rockies, Brewers, Twins, Pirates, and Blue Jays. Troy's got the Mariners, Victor with the Dodgers, and then William, you've got the Giants. All right, let's see what we can get. Ooh, I thought we had a Met there for a minute. Looks like it's going to be a Cubs. It's going to be a Wilson Contreras. Beckett authenticated. Cubs is going to be Richard V. It's like a custom jersey there. So Richard, congratulations, man. We'll get that jersey in the mail tomorrow. And we'll do another box of this coming up next Monday. So go check out those team auctions that will end on Saturday night on eBay.